Welcome to Fabrication with Shweb. Today topic is the question that are asked about the meter tape in the interview of mechanical fitter. Today we will prepare these questions. You have to state in comments how many questions you answered correctly.
Question number 1. How many millimeters in 1 inch? Option A 25.7 millimeter. Option B 25.4 millimeter. Option C 24.3 millimeter. Right answer is option B 25.4 millimeter. Question number 2. How many sooth in 1 inch? Option A 12 sooth. Option B 10 sooth. Option C 8 sooth. Right answer is option C 8 sooth. Question number 3. How to write 4 sooth? Option A 1 over 4 inches. Option B 1 over 2 inches. Option C 1 over 8 inches. Right answer is option B 1 over 2 inches. Question number 4. How many millimeters in 1 meter? Option A 800 millimeters. Option B 500 millimeters. Option C 1000 millimeter. Right answer is option C 1000 millimeter. Question number 5. How many centimeter in 1 inch? Option A 2.54 centimeter. Option B 2.48 centimeter. Option C 3.21 centimeter. Right answer is option A 2.54 centimeter. Question number 6. How many inches in 1 feet? Option A 12 inch. Option B 18 inch. Option C 10 inch. Right answer is option A 12 inch. Question number 7. How many millimeters in 1 sooth? Option A 2.54 millimeter. Option B 4.13 millimeter. Option C 3.17 millimeter. Right answer is option C 3.17 millimeters. Question number 8. How many inches in 1 yard? Option A 39 inches. Option B 36 inches. Option C 37 inches. Right answer is option B 36 inches.
Subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thank you.